Welcome back to Max Online Class. Term 2, second chapter, Measurement. In this session, we are going to discuss first 4 sums from the exercise 2.3. Question number 1. Find the area of a circular pathway whose outer radius is 32 cm and inner radius is 18 cm. Solution for this question. Radius of outer circle capital R equal to 32 cm and radius of the inner circle small r equal to 18 cm. The question is, we have to find out the area of circular pathway. The formula is pi into capital R square minus small r square square units. Substitute the value of pi 22 divided by 7 into 32 square minus 18 square equal to 22 by 7 into this we can use in the formula a square minus b square. For that, add the numbers together and subtract the numbers. So, 32 plus 18 into 32 minus 18 equal to 22 by 7 into 32 plus 18 is 50, 32 minus 18 is 14. Then cancel 7 and 14 2 times. Next, multiply all the numbers. We get the answer 2200 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the circular pathway equal to 2200 centimeter square. Next question. There is a circular lawn of radius 28 meter. A path of 7 meter width is laid around the lawn. What will be the area of the path? Solution for the question. Radius of the circular lawn R equal to 28 meter. That means radius of the inner circle is 28 meter. Next, radius of the lawn with path. That means here path 7 meter is given. So, radius of the outer circle is 28 plus 7 equal to 35 meter. Okay. Capital R is 35 meter and small r is 28 meter. Area of the pathway equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square square units. Substitute the value of pi 22 by 7 into 35 square minus 28 square equal to 22 by 7. We can write 35 square minus 28 square as 35 plus 28 into 35 minus 28. Add 35 plus 28, we get 63. Subtract 35 minus 28, we get 7. Cancel 7 and 7. Then the remaining is 22 multiplied by 7 equal to 1386 meters square. So, the area of the path is 1386 meters square. Question number 3. A circular carpet whose radius is 106 cm is laid on a circular hall of radius 120 cm. Find the area of the hall uncovered by the carpet. Solution for the third question. Radius of the circular hall capital R equal to 120 cm. Radius of the circular carpet small r equal to 106 cm. The question is, we have to find the area of the hall uncovered by the carpet. The formula is pi into capital R square minus small r square equal to, substitute the value of pi 22 by 7 into r square minus r square, that is 120 square minus 106 square. We can write 120 square minus 106 square as 120 plus 106 into 120 minus 106. Sum of 120 plus 106 equal to 226. Then subtract 120 minus 106, that is 14. Next we can cancel 7 and 14 2 times. Okay. Next multiply 22 into 226 into 2. We get the answer 9,944 centimeter square. So the area of the hall uncovered by the carpet equal to 9,944 centimeter square. Now listen, question number 4. A school ground is in the shape of a circle with radius 103 meter. 4 tracks, each of 3 meter wide, has to be constructed inside the ground for the purpose of track events. Find the cost of constructing the track at the rate of rupees 50 per square meter. Students, in this question, the radius of the school ground is given, that is 103 meter. Then 4 tracks, each one is 3 meter wide, has to be constructed inside the ground. We have to find out the cost of constructing the track at the rate of rupees 50 per square meter. Listen, the solution of that sum. This is the circular ground. Radius of the circular ground is 103 centimeter. Inside the ground, 4 tracks are there. Width of each track is 3 centimeter. Okay. So what is the total width of 4 tracks? 4 threes are 12. Next we are going to find out the radius of the inner circle. For that, subtract 103 minus 12 equal to how much? 91. Radius of the outer circle is 103 meter. Radius of the inner circle is how much? 91 meter. Okay. See, radius of the ground 103 meter. Width of a track is 3 meter. Width of 4 tracks, 4 into 3 equal to 12 meter. Then radius of the ground without track, that means this is the radius of the ground without track. For that, subtract 103 minus 12 equal to 91 meter. Area of 4 tracks, the formula is pi into capital R square minus small r square, square units. See, value of pi 22 by 7, r equal to 103 square minus 91 square. We can write this in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That means add the numbers together and subtract it. Okay. So 22 by 7 into 103 plus 91 into 103 minus 91. See, 103 plus 91 is 194. 103 minus 91 is 12. Here we can't cancel any number. So multiply all the 3 numbers and divide that by 7. Multiply 22 by 7 into 194 into 12. See, multiply these 3 numbers together and divide by 7. You know already the division and multiplication. So, do yourself the calculations. Okay. The answer is 7,316.57 meter square. This is the area of 4 tracts. Next, we are going to find now the cost of construction for this much square meter. Okay. Say, cost of constructing 1 meter square rupees 50, that is given. Cost of constructing 7316.57 meter square. For that, multiply 7316.57 multiplied by 50. Okay. When you multiply these two numbers, you get 3,65,828 and 50 paise. This is the cost of construction for 4 tracts. Dear students, today's homework, exercise 2.3, question number 1 to 4, write home test. Thank you for watching, students. Bye bye.